Google just dropped VEO3, and yeah, it's making everything else in AI video look like a flipbook made on Windows 98. The internet's on fire. You got creators, devs, even Hollywood nerds whispering, wait, that's AI? Because what VEO3 is pulling off, it's unreal. 4K visuals, cinematic camera moves, style presets that feel like you're directing a scene from Blade Runner or Dune with nothing but a prompt. But here's the wild part. You can try it right now for free. And I mean literally $0. All you've got to do is go to one.google.com/about/Google-AI-plans. I'll provide the direct link in the description. And if you need a full guide on how to activate and use it properly, comment your request in the comment section and we'll make a video of the highest request. Now scroll down and look for the option to try the Google One AI Premium plan. It'll say something like try for free. Hit that. You'll get 1 month of full access to Gemini Advanced, powered by their top-tier AI Ultra model, the same one running VEO3. No credit card up front. No shady fine print. Just click, activate, and you're in. Now, here's where it gets a little different from what most people expect. You don't go to veo.google.com. That's old news. Instead, once you've activated the trial, you'll want to open up the Gemini app on your phone or use Whisk or Flow on the desktop. Inside those tools, VEO3 is now fully integrated. So you're not bouncing between 10 different platforms. It's all seamlessly embedded in the Google AI ecosystem. In Gemini, you'll see an option that says something like Create Video or Generate with VEO. Tap that, type your scene, and boom, the render starts. Same thing in Whisk or Flow. Just more space, better keyboard, especially if you're scripting something complex. And look, the quality. It's insane. VEO3 understands things like depth of field, natural movement, mood lighting, emotion. It's not just spitting out moving pictures, it's composing scenes. You can actually feel the difference. It's the kind of tech that makes you pause and go, wait, am I still the director here, or is the AI flexing on me? Now, yes, the free trial is generous. But let's be real. If you're serious about making stuff, creating regularly, or building a brand, the $19.99 per month for AI Premium is actually kind of a steal. $124.99 per month for 3 months at a 50% discount is also available for Google AI Ultra, which is way better and best suited for people who are generating videos constantly like studios and editors. It gives you full-speed access to Gemini Ultra across everything. Not just video, but writing, coding, content strategy, design help, the whole package. And VEO3, it runs better, faster, with deeper controls and more render time when you're subscribed. The free trial is great to get your feet wet, but if you're diving deep, you want the full swim. And now let's talk about why you should care beyond the tech itself. Because this isn't just a cool toy. It's a money printer if you know how to use it right. You could create a 30-second AI video, say a surreal sci-fi cityscape with synthwave music, upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and boom. Watch it explode. Add a hook, throw in a story angle, even repurpose it into a voiceover series. The monetization angle is real. People are already farming views with AI-generated visuals. Some are even building entire channels off VEO content alone. Just add narration or music, and you've got something publishable. So yeah, Google just gave us a creative nuke. And for the first month, it's free to launch. No excuses. Go to the link, activate the trial, open up Gemini or Whisk or Flow, and start making the future. And that's all for this video. If you want a tutorial video on Google's VEO3, say so in the comments, and we'll get it covered in the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any other videos as we're guiding people to the trends of AI every day. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.